Kobelco has just released the Series 7 mini excavator range, with new models in the 3 to 4 ton size class available now. Today I'm excited to present to you the all-new SK30SR and SK35SR, the latest models in Kobelco's groundbreaking new Series 7 range. These new machines provide a big step forward with increased performance, improved operability, easier maintenance, and a larger, more modern cabin interior compared to previous models. Their zero tail swing design makes them ideal for operating in limited spaces, making them a really versatile machine in a variety of applications. Operator comfort and safety were key to the development of our new Series 7 minis. These new machines follow Kobelco's Performance X Design concept, which includes a revolutionary new operator station based on the design of our full-size excavators. This makes long hours in the seat much more comfortable for the operator. Kobelco Series 7 minis also deliver higher performance, thanks to a 6% increase in engine power and larger cylinders providing a massive 16% increase in bucket breakout force. The boom cylinder bore size is also increased by 7%, providing improved lifting capability. And an upgraded hydraulic system delivers improved travel performance and faster combined operation. Fuel efficiency is also improved, thanks to a new Eco mode that provides up to a 25% savings in fuel and reduced carbon emissions. We have here today the closed cabin version of the SK35SR, along with the canopy version of the SK30SR. Let's take a closer look at these machines, the latest in Kobelco's Series 7 lineup. The new Kobelco SK30SR and SK35SR-7 are available now in cab and canopy models at dealers around Australia and New Zealand. You can learn more about these machines at the Kobelco website, that's kobelco.com.au or kobelco.co.nz, or by getting in touch with your local Kobelco dealer.